Hi! In this video, we will quickly overview rectangle pool with filter pump and accessories. This above-ground pool provides a space to swim, splash, and have fun with friends and family all summer long. Kids and adults of all ages can enjoy swimming and splashing in this above-ground pool. It's the affordable alternative to a more complicated steel-walled pool, yet it provides durability and stability greater than inflatable pool options. I-frame metal provides strong support with a rust-resistant design for lasting use. Get ready to watch your kids' eyes light up when they see this rectangular frame above-ground pool set up in your backyard. Product benefits. This swimming pool is easy to assemble and easy to store. The pool frame is made of corrosion-resistant electroplated metal brackets. The package includes filter pump, swimming pool cover cloth, floor cloth, 2 meters drain pipe, toy water gun. For instructions on the assembly and use of the pool, see the manual. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.